Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about the power of positive thinking. To enjoy the power of this positive thinking or positive attitude, I will just give you 5 simple steps where you can really develop your positive thinking. The first step where you have to build your positive thinking is you have to slightly change the way you look at the things, the way you behave in a negative way towards any situation. So if you're really feeling sad for any situation or any whatever might have happened in your life, if you're feeling bad, just sit, calm down and write some 5 things which makes you really feel happier. List any 5 things where you feel happy, and that's it. After that, you have to grow a emotion called as gratitude. You have to have the feeling of gratitude, where the feeling of gratitude itself will change the negativity which is surrounded all around you into the positive energy. And even the scientists have proven that the feeling of gratitude, the emotion of gratitude will convert all kind of negativity into the positivity. Step number 2 is that whenever you felt like rejected, some people feel very bad when they feel the rejection, and nowadays it has become a big problem among the youngsters. When they feel the rejection, the negativity within themselves start growing. So guys, whenever you feel that you are rejected, or whenever you feel that someone has shown rejection towards you, or someone have really rejected you, then start learning from that rejection. Why the person might have rejected me, or something, what is my takeaway from this rejection, and what can I learn from this rejection. So when you put the things, when you take the rejection in a positive way, you start learning, and that is where you are going to end the negativity and start the positivity, that is called as learning. So start learning from your rejection and stop thinking about the negativity. Step number 3. So what does this step is? This is a little tricky step. So you are going to ask yourself, how is your life? Yes, and this is a kind of a simple or a normal question where everyone, me, you, everyone asks to our friends, how are you? How is your life? So here we have to ask ourselves, how is our life? So scientifically it is proven, guys. So whatever we speak, that words really has impact on our thinking. So for example, if your friend asks you that how is your life, and if you answer him, my life is boring, hectic, full of problems, somewhere it will be stored in your brain, and that is what start reflecting in your life. If you say hectic, you start feeling your life as hectic. If you say it as boring, it start reflecting in your life. Instead of that, guys, start being positive. Whenever somebody asks you, find a new way to make your life positive, and just tell your friend that, yeah, my life is exciting, my life is super cool, I am really happy, or it is amazing. Use some positive words where it really enhances your brain and your thinking mindset, and then the beauty of this thinking, beauty of this positive thinking start reacting. Step number 4. So guys, step number 4 is something which is usually what we all do at all the times, that is complaining. Yes guys, we have to stop complaining about anything which is around us to build this positive thinking. So I just give you a small example. Think that you are on your desk and doing some work by yourself, and suddenly your colleague or your friend just walks in and they just start complaining about the weather, that today the weather is too cold and I'm feeling so bad, or I'm feeling freezy, it is so uncomfortable. And when you start agreeing this kind of attitude of your friends, the same feeling starts generating within yourself, and suddenly you also start feeling that uneasiness in your body. And what happens because of this uneasiness, you stop working there and start including yourself in that part of complaining. So what does it mean is better to avoid the complaining attitude. And if you listen me, I would tell you that please avoid your friends or colleagues or anybody who are always complaining. It is better to avoid such people, because when you start complaining, it starts building the negative atmosphere all around you. So stop complaining and always have the feeling of gratitude. The fifth step is, guys, stop talking about the problems. So it doesn't mean that positive thinking is only talking about the positive things all the time and not talking about the problems. No, it's not like that. Problems, you can talk about problems, but make sure you're talking about a problem with a solution. See, if you mix with the people who are always complaining and talking about the problem will really increase and you're wasting your time, and at the end of the day you're not getting any solution for that. Instead of that, if you're finding any problem, try to search for a solution for it, and that is how you're converting a problem into a positive thing, and which brings energy and the success in your life. If you like this video, please give me a like, and if you have any queries or any suggestions, please write in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.